Women Who Charge is a nonprofit. We're based here in Denver, and we advocate for greenhouse gas reduction. We work in the clean transportation space, as well as building electrification and workforce development. Being a nonprofit that supports women in the industry, our main objective is to see a reduction in greenhouse gases across the board. So when it comes to our training programs, we're not only talking to women, we're talking to people who believe in this mission and want to be a part of the solution. This training teaches the skills, the basic skills, around what it takes to diagnose and recognize a problem with a broken charging station so that we can amplify the problem and identify solutions with the hopes of maintaining the investment that we've made in charging stations.
I was inspired to take this training because I want to make sure that this infrastructure is reliable. I drive an EV, and I want to make sure that when I go visit my family in Colorado Springs, a blizzard isn't going to stand in the way for me to see my family. I'm just hoping I can be a person that not only can build it out, but also be an advocate and get others to kind of join the workforce.
We partnered with an organization that has a lot of experience, and they've developed a curriculum that we're taking our students through as a part of this training. So they're not only getting the vocational vocabulary around the industry, but they're also getting hands-on experience and understanding how to do that diagnostic and how to do the repairs of some of the basic things that tend to go wrong with charging stations. So it's a 120-hour, 3-week-long in-person training. At the end of this 120 hours and passing all of the quizzes and showing up and being present in the class, they leave with a certificate in EV charging station repair and maintenance from Charger Help, as well as an OSHA certification. As a part of our program here at Women Who Charge, they also get a voucher to take what's called an SAE exam. And when they take that exam and pass that, then they would also get a third certificate from SAE, which is an internationally recognized industry standard that says this person understands how to repair and maintain charging stations.
What I plan to do with the certificate is kind of just build my resume all around. Maybe in the future I'll be some sort of program manager, managing all these stations, or just kind of promoting the whole industry in general, working at a higher level, but having this understanding of all the different roles that are involved in the industry. And so this training will give me major insight into what technicians do, and they play a very vital role in the whole industry.
There's a lot of opportunity for somebody with this certification. It demonstrates commitment, it demonstrates an aptitude and an ability to keep learning. There are entities that are looking for program managers and network managers, as well as technicians. They're looking for people that are going to help them build better. I think it's an excellent opportunity when you get to do work in a space around something that you really believe in. And if clean transportation and electric vehicles and climate change is something that you want to be a part of, this is an excellent way to do that.
My biggest takeaway from the training is that literally anybody can be a technician. We have all walks of life in this classroom, and we all get along so great, and we have such fun conversations, and everybody's just coming into this brand new. I mean, not everybody's been working on stations for years, right? Like, so many people are just having to come to this. We need more employees, and so there's so many different people involved. It doesn't matter who you are or what your background is. We're all in this together, and we all kind of have, I think, a love for the industry, and we all want to see it succeed.